A hospital visit. Zainab and Viv sit on swings. Look! Zainab swings up and jumps off. Whee! Viv swings up, twists and slips. Boo-hoo! Viv's foot is red and sore. Zainab tells Dad. Viv is weeping. At hospital, Viv, Zainab and Dad wait in a waiting room. Zainab and Viv spot twins, lungs, a sling, a book and a zoo. In room 7, Dr. Bloom looks at Viv's foot. Viv's foot is sprained. Dr. Bloom dresses Viv's foot. Viv will feel well again soon. Thank you.